You've probably heard it a million times: buy low, sell high, or as some folks say, buy at peaks and sell at dips. But here's the real question: do you actually know how? Seriously, we all know what to do, but how to do it? That's what we're diving into today, especially how to buy and sell during pullbacks. We're going to show you how to spot those real pullbacks, how to lock in those profits when the price bounces back. This strategy is all about making trades at discount prices. It's about maximizing your profits by getting in low and selling high. It's about making money trading and doing it smart. We're going to break down the signals, the patterns, and the things that tell you, hey, this is a discount. This is my entry point. Here's the deal. To make this pullback trading strategy work for everyone, from total newbies to seasoned pros, we're using indicators. Yeah, those things that tell you exactly when and where to buy and sell. Sounds pretty sweet, right? Like having a cheat code for the market. We're going to add the twin range filter indicator to our chart. This isn't just some random indicator. It's the key to unlocking those discount prices, those pullback opportunities. See, just slapping an indicator on the chart isn't gonna cut it. We need to dial it in, tweak it, make it work exactly how we want it to. We need to make it our own. So here's the lowdown. This indicator is going to find us those killer buy and sell signals, but this is a big but. It needs some adjustments. We're gonna take it from good to wow. That's powerful. So let's dive into the settings. We're gonna wanna follow along closely here. First, the input section. Leave the source option exactly as it is. Don't touch it. Now, here's where it gets surgical. Change the fast period to 21. That's a key number. It's gonna help us catch those quicker pullbacks. Leave the range as it is. We're good there. Next, this is crucial. Change the slow period to 45. This is gonna smooth things out, give us a clearer picture of the overall trend. Leave the slow range alone. We don't need to mess with that. And that's it. No other changes needed in the style section. We're keeping it clean and simple. Why these specific numbers? Because they've been tested. They've been proven to give us the most accurate signals. Alright, hold up a minute. Because this is where we separate the amateur from the pros. You think we're just gonna blindly follow some indicator signals? You're absolutely wrong. We're smarter than that. Trading blind is a one-way ticket to losing your shirt. Yeah, the twin range filter gives us some good signals, but it also throws out a bunch of junk counter trend signals that'll lead us into a trap. We need to know which signal are the real deal. The discount signals, the ones that are perfectly placed for entry. We're not just looking for any signal. We're looking for the right signals, the ones that are gonna make us money. So, to filter out those noise and find those golden opportunities, we're adding another weapon to our arsenal. The 10 and 1 different moving averages indicator. And guess what? It's totally free. Head over to the indicator section and add this bad boy to your chart. We're gonna need two moving averages from this monster. So let's get into the settings. First, in the input section, change the MA1 type to SMA. That's the simple moving average. Then set its period to 250. This is gonna give us a long-term view of the trend. And of course, pick a color that pops. Make it easy to see. Now enable MA2, change its type to WMA. That's weighted moving average. Then set its period to 200. This is gonna give us a slightly shorter term view. but still a strong indication of the overall direction. And again, choose a color. We're not touching the style section, keep it clean. Why moving averages? Because they're gonna act like a filter. They're gonna help us confirm the twin range filter signals and weed out the bad ones. We're looking for confidence, for signals that are lined up with the overall trend. Alright, so let's get down to the nitty gritty, the part you all been waiting for. How to actually make some cash with this system. This isn't just theory. This is where we turn those indicators into cold hard profits. First up, buy trades. You know, we're not just jumping and blind, right? We need to make sure we're riding an uptrend. And how do we do that? Simple. Price candles need to be sitting above both SMA and WMA lines. That's our green line. Now we're looking for those long signals from the twin range filter. But here's the secret sauce. We're not taking just any long signal. We're filtering out the noise. We're looking for signals that are close to those moving average lines. Why? Because those signals are the ones happening during pullback, those discounts we've been talking about. They're the sweet spots, the moments when the market's giving us a deal. Think of it like this, the moving averages are your safety net. We're only taking trades when the twin range filter signals line up with the overall trend, and when they're close enough to bounce off that net, that's where the real money's made. So you see a long signal that's close to the SMA or WMA lines, that's your entry, boom. Now let's talk about risk management. For long trade, your stop loss should be placed at the recent swing low or just below one of the moving average lines. Keep it tight, keep it smart. And for your target, we're aiming for 2 times the risk. Simple, effective, and it keeps your profits rolling. For sell trades, confirm a downtrend with candles below both moving averages. Look for short signals from the indicator that appears close to the moving average lines, indicating a pullback. Place your stop loss above the recent swing high or moving average. And aim for profit target that's at least 2 times your initial risk.